from your Weather Authority, Chief Meteorologist Wayne Hart.
Well, last night heading into today's event, I indicated that what developed and basically moved through the area overnight would kind of dictate where that level 3 threat was going to set up this afternoon. And indeed, we had the storms overnight and rain as late as 10 a.m. And that helped suppress that level 3 threat south of the tri-state, keeping most of the strong storms across the southern third of our viewing area, where there was some wind damage in parts of Muhlenberg and Ohio counties. And we've got some storm damage from Ohio County to show you from the EMA there. These are pictures from the Magnolia Street area of Beaver Dam, where flash flooding was also a concern. You can see a tree down there. Central City along West Reservoir Avenue really had some bad flooding. This was a part of the Central City area that floods a lot, but it really was bad today. Some of the water even getting into some of the local businesses there. But no tornadoes in the tri-state. Those were south of our area. And again, I think we fared pretty well considering we had that level 3 enhanced risk initially all the way up to the Ohio River. We can forget about severe weather for a while. That's behind us. 68 this morning after an inch and a half of rain fell in Evansville. So the main event for Evansville was the overnight event that may have woke you up about 2:45 when the sirens went off. But even though we had a warning, no severe weather. 82 the high this afternoon. Low 80s area wide. Tomorrow, though, will be about 10 degrees cooler than today. Thursday will be 15 degrees cooler. And then our Memorial Day weekend may be the coolest one in over 20 years. Just wait for the 7-day forecast. Lots of false returns around the radar right now. A few spotty showers, even a thunder shower or two, still holding together along the cold front. But now that the sun is down, a lot of this is fading away. A little rain did get through Mount Vernon. It was heading towards Evansville, but it looks like it is now weakening. A couple of showers right along I-64 there in far northern Vandenberg County, then up along U.S. Highway 50. The tail end of a much more organized line of showers and thunder showers pushing across central Indiana. All this will exit off to the east as we head into the overnight. The heavy rain north of the river, that was mainly the overnight event. The heavy rain south was from the afternoon events. So two distinct waves dropped about 1 to 2 inches of rain across a good deal of the area. Partly cloudy skies right now in downtown Evansville. The temperature still at 68. The dew point still up at 64 with a south-southwest wind at 10 miles per hour. The cold front is just west of the tri-state. That will come through overnight and take temperatures now in the upper 60s down into the upper 50s by daybreak tomorrow morning. You can see those spotty showers forming along the cold front, but the severe weather was well ahead of the front. And there's still severe, actually tornado watches through eastern Kentucky, down into the Smokies and curling back through the deep south. But none of that, of course, headed our way. We'll get these spotty showers out of here overnight. And then we got a really nice Wednesday to look forward to with partly cloudy skies. It'll be windy, cooler, and less humid. High temperatures tomorrow, generally 70 to 75, forecasting 73 for the Evansville Metro. And then we'll drop back into the mid-50s tomorrow night, followed by a secondary surge of cooler air on Thursday, which will increase the cloud cover and bring a few spotty showers in from the north. Nothing all that heavy, but it's going to be a windy and cool Thursday, mid to upper 60s for the high. And then those clouds will clear as we head into a very nice Friday with a good deal of sunshine, just a few scattered clouds and highs up around 70 degrees. But unfortunately, as we head through our Memorial Day weekend, clouds will return along with some significant rain chances at times, and we'll check that here in the 7-day in just a second. But for the overnight hours, a few showers and thunder showers the next couple of hours, more in our northern counties, and then clearing out 58 to 60 for the low. Partly cloudy tomorrow, windy, cooler, less humid, generally 70 to 75. Clouds increase Thursday with some spotty showers, 67 the high. Partly cloudy Friday, 70, but the clouds increase on Saturday with some scattered rain coming in later in the afternoon, increasing Saturday night. Highest rain chances right now look to be Sunday morning, diminishing the afternoon. Of course, the timing may change, but that's the way it looks right now. And then at least some more scattered rain on Memorial Day. Maybe a little bit of thunder on Sunday afternoon and Monday, but we're on the cool side of this system, so any kind of severe threat should stay well down to our south. But look at the high temperatures. All 3 days around 70. Overnight lows in the low to mid-50s, and that would make it the coolest Memorial Day weekend in over 20 years.
I don't think we'll be hitting the pool, though, for the weekend. All right. Thank you, Wayne.